So friends, Samsung is all set to unveil its next generation of Galaxy S series as its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked on January 22. As we wait for the formal reveal, a reliable tipster has suggested key specifications of the purported Galaxy S25 Ultra model. It is tipped to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, like the existing Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new model is likely to sport a dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is tipped to come with slightly higher wireless charging speed than its predecessor, and some leaks confirm that the specifications of the successor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra on Blue Sky. As per the post, the upcoming handset will feature a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate and a HDR10 Plus support. The display could have a peak brightness of 2600 nits, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to run on Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and it is said to be available in 3 RAM and storage configurations, which are 12GB plus 256, 16GB plus 512GB and 16GB plus 1TB storage. It is said to come with support for 45W wireless charging as well as 25W wireless charging. This would be an upgrade over the 15W wireless charging speed offered by the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And Samsung is hosting its Unpacked event on January 22 in San Jose, and pre-reservations for the Galaxy S series. The teaser released by Samsung showcases 4 devices next to each other, hinting that 4 Galaxy S25 models will be launching during the launch event. The handsets in question are likely to be Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra and the new Galaxy S25 Slim model. But Samsung has yet to announce the names of the smartphones. The Galaxy S25 Ultra model is rumored to be available in 7 colorways, including 3 online exclusive shades, and it is said to pack a quad rear camera setup comprising a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera and a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera and an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and it could feature a 5000 mAh battery also. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.